Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back with another video. This video I will show you beautiful room decoration. So I hope you will like this video. If you like, so don't forget to comment me down and press the bell icon so that I can bring for you beautiful videos and notification will get you first. So let's start the video. Without wasting any time. So you can see this picture, you can see the up, you can see LED lights and all beautiful lights looking very good, very expensive, very nice, good decoration. The sides you can see the bed and the all very beautiful. This one also very beautiful. You can see the small bulbs and all looking very beautiful, very good bulbs and all very good this decoration. This also you can see the monitor, you can see the keyboard, you can see the LED lights, you can see the design beautiful. It is like gaming room, very beautiful design. I like this one. This one also you can see the window sides lights, you can see beautiful light and all, very good light, very good decoration light and all. I like this one also, very beautiful. This also you can see very beautiful. You can see the up light, the side, the plants and more small plants and all very beautiful. This also you can see the wall decoration, the down you can see towel and all, and the bulb and the shower and all very beautiful. The mirror, the small plants and all. This one also you can see the down bed blue color lights. It's very beautiful. I hope you should make like this room. It is very beautiful, very good decoration. This also you can see very beautiful decoration in the design. You can see the butterflies and all, and the up LED lights. You can see the wall, the floor and the bed, you can see beautiful. This also you can see the heart shape decoration and design, the purple color lights and all, the gaming room pink color chair, very beautiful decoration and design, very nice. This also you can see the beautiful LED lights and all, and the pillow bed you can see white color, the black color bed decoration design. And so you can see the LED of heart shape, you can see beautiful heart shape LED, very beautiful. And the bed you can see black color bed and all, and the lamps. This also you can see the sunrise and the ocean, you can see beautiful decoration and design looking very good. The floor also wooden color, same silver color. This one also you can see very beautiful. This one also you can see very beautiful, very good decoration and design, very nice. It is very beautiful. And the next picture you can see the line, that beautiful line, you can see it is very beautiful, very good line, you can see looking very beautiful. In the floor, this also you can see the heart shape LED, the wall, you can see beautiful wall and all, good decoration, good design, very beautiful decoration. This also you can see the wind like lights, they put beautiful lights and all, very good, very beautiful. This also you can see the LED, the back side you can see lights, and the toilet you can see bathroom, beautiful bathroom and all, and the upper red color lights you can see. So I hope you like this video. If you like, so don't forget to comment me down, press the bell icon so my notification will get you first. So thank you for watching and have a nice day. Goodbye, take care.